Hi, I am Sanjay Patel. In this lecture, we are going to prove some properties of homomorphisms and then we'll be discussing some results about homomorphism in this lecture. So let us start with the properties of homomorphism as a theorem. Let phi from r plus dot to r dash plus circle dot circle be a homomorphism. This is a homomorphism of rings. Okay. Then prove the following. The first one, prove that phi of 0 is equal to 0 dash. So every homomorphism sends 0 element of domain to 0 element of the codomain ring. Second thing is phi of minus a is equal to minus phi of a for every a belongs to R. Next, we can prove that phi of a minus b is equal to phi of a minus phi of b for every a and b belongs to R. These are three simple properties. Further, number 4, if the domain ring R has unity element, say 1, and phi of 1 means the value of the function phi for this unity is not equal to 0, that is 0 of the codomain, then prove that phi of 1 is the unity element of phi of R. Okay. And the last one, if in addition to this conditions in this fourth result, if phi is not a zero homomorphism and the codomain ring R dash is an integral domain, then let us see what happens. So I'm writing in detail, if R has unity, or let me write, if R dash has, if R dash is an integral domain, and phi is not a zero homomorphism, phi is not equal to 0 dash. Okay. In this result 4, then prove that phi of 1 is equal to 1 dash. That is, phi of 1 is, in this case, will be unity of the whole codomain ring R dash. Unity of R dash. Okay. So let us prove this one by one. The first result, to prove phi of 0 is equal to 0 dash. So we start like this. We have phi of 0. Okay. This I can write as phi of 0 plus 0 because 0 is the 0 element of R. Now phi is a homomorphism So phi of A plus B is equal to phi of A plus circle phi of B. So I can write this as phi of 0 plus circle phi of 0, because phi is a homomorphism. Okay. So what I have proved here is phi of 0 is equal to phi of 0 plus circle phi of 0. Remember that phi of 0 belongs to the codomain ring. It's a image of 0 under phi. So we have an equation like this: x plus x is equal to x in the ring. That gives us x equal to 0 because of, say, the cancellation law. Or I can write in this form also. This is same as, say, phi of 0 plus circle 0 dash is equal to phi of 0 plus circle phi of 0. So that gives us 0 dash is equal to phi of 0, because you can cancel phi of 0 from both the sides by cancellation law. Cancellation in R dash for the operation of addition, that is plus circle. So we have proved that phi of 0 is equal to 0 dash. Now the second result is about phi of minus a is equal to, you want to prove that phi of minus a is equal to minus of phi of a for every a belongs to R. So this is our aim. So I want to put that this element, if I call this as, say, y, I want to put that y is the negative of x. Y is equal to minus x. You can call phi of a is equal to x. Okay. So let us begin like this. If you want to prove that y is equal to minus of x, then you should prove that x plus y is equal to 0 element. So I consider phi of a plus circle phi of minus of a, phi of minus a. This is equal to phi of a plus minus a, because phi is homomorphism. So phi of x plus phi of y is equal to phi of x plus y. This we can write as phi of 0, because this a belongs to R. So if you add a and it's negative, then you get the 0 element of the ring R. But phi of 0 is equal to 0 dash is already proved in our first result. So phi of 0 is equal to 0 dash. So what I have proved is phi of a plus circle phi of minus a is equal to 0 dash. So whenever x plus y is equal to 0 dash, that means this y is negative of x. So this implies phi of minus a is equal to minus of phi of a, because x plus y is equal to 0 dash means y is equal to minus x. Okay. So the second result is also proved. The third result, what is our aim is to, what is given first of all, we are given that R has unity 1, and we are also given that phi of 1 is not equal to 0 dash, and we want to prove in this case that phi of 1 is the unity of the ring phi of R. Okay, so first of all, we know that phi of R means the range of phi, that is, set of all phi of x for x belongs to R. Or you can say image of R under the homomorphism phi. Remember, phi is a homomorphism from R to R dash that is given to us. Now, we want to prove that phi of 1 is the unity of phi of R. So let us put phi of 1 is equal to E. Let us call it E. Okay. And we want to prove that this E is a unity element of phi of R. Let us start with any element in the subring or ring phi of R. So let us take, say, Y belongs to phi of R be arbitrary. If Y belongs to phi of R, what I can say is there is some element because of definition of phi of R. Phi of R contains elements of the form phi of X. So there exists some X belongs to R such that phi of X is equal to Y. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I will prove that E is the unity element for phi of R. So for that, let me multiply the element E and the element Y. So both elements E and Y are elements of the codomain ring because they are the values of the function phi. So and codomain is R dash. So I can write the operation of say multiplication in R dash, that is codomain. So Y dot circle say E is equal to say phi of X dot circle phi of 1 because Y is equal to phi of X and E is equal to phi of 1. But phi is a homomorphism, so this can be done as phi of X into 1 by definition of homomorphism. But 1 is the unity element of R and X is also in R. X is also in R. So X into 1 is X. So this we are getting as X and phi of X is actually Y. So what I have proved is phi dot E Y dot circle E is equal to Y. And similarly we can prove that E dot circle Y is equal to Y. And this means E is the unity element because Y is any element of the codomain this phi of R. It follows that this E, that is phi of 1, is the unity element of phi of R. Okay, so the third result is also proved. And the fourth result, in fourth result we are given that phi is a homomorphism from R to R dash and this is not a zero homomorphism, or let me write in short form, not like this. We are given phi homomorphism and phi is not equal to 0. Also 1 is the unity of R and we are given that phi of 1 is not equal to 0 dash. Okay. Further, we are also given that R dash, this codomain ring, is an integral domain. In this case, we want to prove that phi of 1 is the unity element of R dash. To prove that phi of 1 is equal to 1 dash, that is phi of 1 is the unity element of the codomain ring R dash. Okay. So remember, phi is a non-zero function here, first of all. So let me start this way. The proof of this, as phi is a non-zero function, there exists at least one element, say some element A belongs to R in the codomain So the value of the function at a is not equal to 0 dash. Okay, and let us put this phi of a is equal to a dash. Let us call this as a dash. Okay. Now by result 3, we know that phi of 1 is the unity element. So I can write this way: as R has unity, as R has unity element 1, this implies phi of 1 is the unity element of phi of R. Okay, this is because of our previous result, number 4. Okay, we have proved this in the previous result. Okay, and if phi of 1 is unity of phi of R, I can say that therefore, as a dash also belongs to phi of R, because a dash is the value of the function phi at a, so I can say that a dash into phi of 1 is equal to a dash is equal to phi of 1 into a dash, and this dot is actually dot circle. Okay, because phi of a, that is a dash, belongs to phi of R. Okay, so this is another important observation. What I want to prove is this phi of 1 is actually unity of the whole ring R dash. Remember, what I have proved here is a dash into phi of 1 is equal to a dash, and this a dash is some particular element because it is corresponding to some fixed element a belongs to R. So a is fixed, so phi of a is equal to a dash, that is also some fixed value or fixed element of the codomain ring. So now let us take an arbitrary element in the ring R dash. So let me write this way: let B dash belongs to R dash be arbitrary. Okay, if B dash belongs to R dash and we are given that a dash into phi of 1 is equal to a dash, and I think yes, one more thing is required here, that it is a commutative ring. We'll be using the fact that R is commutative and other R dash is integral domain, so it is commutative. So what I can write here is therefore B dash into a dash, B dash into a dash, that is B dash into, rather this into is dot circle, into say a dash dot circle phi of 1. Remember, all these a dash, b dash, phi of 1 are elements of the codomain ring. In this result we are given that codomain is integral domain and therefore it is a commutative ring. Yes, so this implies b dash dot circle a dash is equal to, I can rewrite this as say b dash, I can write it as b dash into phi of 1 into a dash by using commutativity and associativity. Now taking this term on the other side, what I will be getting is say b dash dot circle a dash minus b dash dot circle phi of 1 dot circle a dash is equal to, this is a subtraction in the codomain ring R dash, so this is equal to 0 dash. Okay, and from all this I want to take say a dash as a common factor by using distributive law. So this I can write as b dash minus b dash dot circle phi of 1 dot circle A dash is equal to 0 dash by distributive law in the ring R dash. Remember, R dash is an integral domain in this result. Now, what is A dash? A dash is the value of the function at A here, and it is not 0 because phi of A is not equal to 0 dash, so A dash is also not 0. So I can write, but A dash is equal to phi of A and it is not equal to 0, and R dash is an integral domain, so I can say that if x into y, this is x, this is y, x into y is equal to 0 and y is not 0, therefore x must be 0. So the integral domain has no 0 divisors. So therefore we must have the bracket value, that is b dash minus b dash dot circle phi of 1. This must be 0 dash. Okay, because something into something is 0, and if one of the element is not 0, then the other element has to be 0, and this gives us b dash into phi of 1 is equal to b dash, taking on this side. And similarly we can show that phi of 1, and rather it is no need to prove also, because dot circle is commutative operation since R dash is integral domain. So we have this fact also. So this implies this phi of 1 is the unity element, of R dash, because this b dash here is any element of the ring R dash. So b dash is an arbitrary element of R dash. It says that phi of 1, this particular element, is a unity element of R dash. But R dash has the unity 1 dash, and it is unique. We know if unity exists in a ring, then it is always unique. So the only possibility for this phi of 1, that is, it must be equal to 1 dash. So we have proved that phi of 1 is equal to 1 dash because of uniqueness of the unity element. So we have proved that if the codomain ring is integral domain and phi is a non-zero homomorphism with phi of 1 is not 0 dash, then phi of 1 is equal to 1 dash. Remember, we cannot always write phi 1 is equal to 1 dash like we are writing phi of 0 is equal to 0 dash as in the first result. We have started these properties with proving the first one as phi of 0 is equal to 0 dash, but we cannot write similar thing for the unity element, that phi of 1 is equal to 1 dash. It is true with all these restrictions. Okay, so we'll be proving some more results about homomorphisms in our next lecture. So till then, goodbye. Thank you.